Hey guys, how you doing? I just wanted to share a ticking noise I've been having with my SRT-4. It's coming right above cylinder 1. Get out. Sorry if it's windy. Right above here. Is that hot? It's a little hot. It's right above here in this area. You can't hear it when you start the car in idle, so let me. There we go. If I come out here, you can't hear it. That low pitch ticking sound that you hear, that's just the ignition coils. But yeah, it's just right above here, right above cylinder 1. Let me take it out for a little drive so I can show you guys. Okay, so the best non-dangerous way I can figure out how to do this is I'm on this kind of long stretch of road. I'm just gonna put the car in first gear and just kind of cruise slowly in first gear. The noise happens right around 1500 to 3000 RPM. After 3000 RPM, it either goes away or the other noises of the car are just so loud that it drowns out the sound, but it doesn't sound like it's getting drowned out. It sounds like it's actually going away after 3000 RPM. So let me put the car in first, just drive forward. Can you hear that? Right around 1500 to 2000 RPM is when it's loudest. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. I hope you can. I don't know what it could be. I already pulled off my valve cover and I actually found a little itty bitty spring from a PCV valve just sitting in the corner. Like it was just, my theory is the previous owner switched out the PCV and they just didn't notice that the spring was still in there when they put the cover back on. But I took that out, put everything back together, and that didn't fix the problem. I didn't think it would. It wouldn't make sense for that spring to be the problem, especially when it's pretty consistent with the RPM. It doesn't really make sense. Still, I'm glad I found that spring, because who knows what could have happened if that got underneath a rocker or something. That would have been bad news. But I have a theory on what it is, and I already bought the parts to replace it from Modern Performance. My theory is the lifters or lash adjusters, if you're proper. But I got these from Modern Performance. I overnight shipped them, 160 bucks total. Focus, there we go. But these come pre-primed, pre-bled. You just gotta oil up the sides so they can just slide in easier and just drop them in. That's what I think the noise is. So I'm gonna make another video of me replacing the lash adjusters, because I can't find one on YouTube yet, and I think that'd be a really good video, don't you think? I'll have my girlfriend help me out with that. My other theory is, if that doesn't fix the problem, I think it's maybe the rockers. Maybe one of the roller bearings is bad, or the entire rocker is bad. I don't know. Other than that, I don't really know what else it could be. Hoping it's not like a bent valve or something. That would be bad news. It's not rod knock. It's too high pitched to be rod knock, and it's not coming from the bottom end anyway. So we'll get it figured out. Just want to show you guys this issue I've been having. So see you guys later.